Tired of the constant ringing in your ears? Want a natural solution to tinnitus? Here's why you should choose Quietum Plus to restore peace to your ears. 1. Quietum Plus improves blood circulation in the ears. 2. Reduces oxidative stress. 3. Supports cognitive function. 4. Reduces stress and anxiety. 5. Quietum Plus is made from all natural ingredients. 6. Comes with no known side effects. 7. Enhances overall hearing health. 8. Provides additional bonuses. 9. Quietum Plus is affordable and comes with free shipping. 10. Offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. Ready to reclaim your peace and quiet? Click the link in the description to visit the official Quietum Plus website and learn more. Don't let tinnitus control your life. Take action now.